If you're a foodie, watch the show Chopped, or just like to eat, you've likely heard of celebrity chef Alex Guarnaschelli. We caught up with her in New York City this week for some cooking scoop.
I do cook a lot at home. In the early years of being a chef, I didn't cook at home at all. I cooked so much at the restaurant that when I got home, all I wanted to do was eat a slice of toast. But now that I have my daughter and she expects some good cooking, she's a tough crowd, I don't want to get chopped.
Speaking of Chopped, Alex says she's excited for the new upcoming season.
It's a show that showcases the talents of up-and-coming chefs, and it's dramatic.
What else is she up to? Quite a lot.
I just wrapped a digital series that I did for Food Network called Fix Me a Plate, where I get to go around and eat in places I really enjoy, with people that are really hardworking and that are craftsmen and women that are making special handmade dumplings, really great Middle Eastern food, delicious pizza. I just get to eat a lot and talk about what artists they are. It's just a giant excuse for me to snack on some tasty foods. I love so many comfort foods, but I think if left to my own devices, I will always go for a good eggplant parm. So easy to put together, super meaty, but also a great way to just eat fruits and vegetables without any meat. I also came out with a cookbook this past year, The Home Cook, recipes to know by heart to use in the home. I've kind of put my professional chefdom to work on some recipes that people that are home cooks can make.
The busy mom has also partnered with Lysol to promote their new daily cleanser.
It leaves behind no harsh chemical residue. It's safe to use throughout the home, and it kills 99.9% of germs. So I'm really inspired by a product that has only 3 simple ingredients. I made some recipes that kind of mirror that same idea. So this is a black bean chili that's made by just cooking down scallions and tomatoes, stirring in black beans and just kind of letting it all stew together. And then another super simple recipe that could be for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner or a late night snack. Some cooked toasted quinoa with salt and pepper and just roasted sliced chicken on top and a little sprinkle of parsley for that grassy freshness.